Hello everyone, JBGRA here, and also happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all you people here on YouTube. I am very happy and hope you guys have a wonderful, awesome, blessed Christmas today. So it is Christmas time, so it's time for me to show you guys the stuff that I got from the mall, just the Christmas shopping. So I am going to start doing it right now. What's up? This is the Pokemon Deluxe Traveling Case for the Nintendo Switch, including the Nintendo Switch Lite. And this sale used to be selling $19.99 and now is $14.99. And I got this from GameStop. I'm telling the truth, it's pretty cool. I'm trying to get this out. Well, you have a little cool carrying case. See, it said the logo of the Pokeball, and it have like put some headphones on it, put some other types like some games, including all that stuff. Yep, got headphones and all. The Nintendo Switch logo, pretty awesome. This is the second Pokemon item. This is Pokemon wired controller for your Nintendo Switch. It used to be it was like $24.99. Now it's selling $18.74. It's not that bad. And yep, two advanced buttons. Pretty awesome. Open it. Back. Real quick. You see the controller. Back. Bam. That's pretty cool. This is like a wire controller for your Switch. And there's a Pikachu in the middle. Pretty awesome. Next up, the two games. I got Overwatch Legendary Edition. Just download. There's no game inside. This is download edition. So I already got the code and all, because I don't want to let no one see the code and all that stuff, because I don't want y'all to steal the game, steal the game that I just brought. So yeah, pretty awesome game. And second, this is Kirami Kiro. I know this is like a Japanese version that you roll a sticky ball, and you're trying to sticky everywhere, from the people, from the animals, including the buildings and everything and all that stuff. Yeah, they say it's a pretty cool game. I know it's kind of weird, but it's a pretty cool game though. Pretty cool game. Next up, this is the $10 Schnucks gift card that my boss gave it to me when I was at work yesterday, and he gave the co-workers the Schnucks gift card because I know I work at Schnucks, so I like to thank my boss to give me the cool gift, a $10 Schnucks gift card. So I'm glad, and I already thanked my boss, and I already gave my co-workers some gifts as well. So they really liked it, so pretty cool. It's a Bluetooth wireless earbuds with a mic, Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth where you talk on the phone and everything, ability, sound and all. Pretty awesome. This is for my slide two Joy-Cons for my Switch, and including the grappler buttons, grappler control buttons. Pretty awesome. And yeah. And the other one, I got this. This is a speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker, and this is for like on the phone, like you listen to some music and everything and all. And guess what? It lights up. It lights up and it changes colors. Pretty cool, huh? I love the game. This gift. Gave me this cool gift. A pretty nice gift. Give me a happy holiday stuff. Deadpool socks. Yeah, Deadpool socks. Marvel Deadpool socks. And some candy. Pretty cool. But I got this t-shirt on the hot topic. This is the Goku shirt. Dragon Ball Z Super Ultra Instant Goku logo on there. Pretty awesome. Got this from Hot Topic. And this is like, I think this is like buy two get one free. Yeah, this is buy two get one free sale. So I got this, the Ultra one, Goku. And this is the Triple Threat Saga. Triple Threat Saga of the Goku. With Goku, Vegeta, Krillin, Piccolo, and a whole bunch of characters. Pretty cool. And in the back it says the Saiyan Saga from 1989 through 1990. Last but not least, AEW, the AEW t-shirt with All Elite Wrestling. I watched it on TNT. It was a pretty awesome wrestling show, including NXT as well. I watched some NXT, but the rest I watched AEW. So I know look, telling the truth is like between WWE and NXT is like between NXT versus AEW, like WWE versus AEW. So yeah. So yeah, this is a pretty cool shirt. All Elite Wrestling. So I know it's gonna be starting tonight of the All Elite Wrestling Christmas special, including NXT Christmas special. So yeah. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's all the stuff that I got for this holiday season. And guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And guys, thank you guys for watching, and I am gonna get ready to go to my cousin's house and all, and I think like later on we'll be playing video games, so that's why. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And also have a wonderful day and have a wonderful blessed holiday, and Merry Christmas. This is JBGRA saying nerds are awesome. Peace, bye bye, Feliz Navidad, and happy holidays.